Great morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today, we are going to start chapter number 10, class 8, that is app development. Before going to start the chapter app development, let we start from the introduction to apps. What do you mean by apps? Why the apps are used? We will discuss here. The word app is an abbreviation for application. As you all know, the word app is used for the application. An application is a software designed to do a specific task and job. You can see app enables you to do something specific, like you can paint, you can draw, you can read maps and barcodes. Also, you can take photographs, play video, play games, watch and edit videos and host other activities. Yes, you can see in the figure, but within the technical limitations, all the features are available here, but you can use it within the limitations of the software. However, with the rapid rise in the use of smartphones these days, you can see the smart uses of smartphones is now increases day by day. The word app is used mostly to refer to the software that runs on a mobile phones. As you can see, in the smartphones, tablets and mobile devices are nothing but small computer. You can see all the features of computer in your smartphones, in your tablets, and app works in pretty much the same way as they work on the desktop or a laptop. That means in a today's time there is no any difference between a laptop or a mobile phone, since the computing power and the memory of a smartphone are generally less than that of a standalone computer. The capabilities of the apps are generally less than that of a similar software running on a PC. As you can see, dear students, you can see most desktop do not have touchscreen capabilities, while all the mobile phones have the touch screens. As you can see, there is some difficult tasks to perform in your laptop, in your computer, but you can easily do or run the applications on the mobile phones. Instead of you can run computer, you can work with the your mobile phone with a touch screen instead of a keyboard and a mouse. You can work both as input devices as well as an output devices within your computer or also within your mobile phones. Apps are generally designed to work on different operating systems used by various devices. An Android app is developed to work on phones and tablets. Basically, you see as your smartphone work each and everything which run on Android OS, whereas iPhone apps can be used on iPhones which use iOS. Basically, if we talk about the iPhone, they're working on iOS, but in your smartphone, they can easily work with the other things also. For better running of apps, the internet connection speed must be fast so that you can work easily. From the Google Play Store on Android phone or through App Store, you can also store an iOS. Now we will discuss about the types of app. You can see you can work the apps within your laptops or computer, on a mobile phone or a web phone. That means there are three types of app. For example, desktop app, web apps and mobile apps. Firstly, we will discuss about the desktop apps. Let me start. These apps can be used on a desktop or a laptop, like if you work with your computer, with your laptop, that is called the desktop app. Generally they do not have web accesses and done independently on a computer. They cannot work on any other thing, or not on a mobile phone dear. They work on a computer or a laptop. To run a desktop app, it must first be installed on a desktop or the laptop. Okay. Yes, firstly, if you installed app, that means they will indicate it that or represent it by the icon, as you can see in laptop. Okay, screen or computer screen. Example, if we talk about the example of the desktop app, that is our word processor, spreadsheet, paint and notepad. Next type of the apps is the web apps. That are those apps which require internet connection to run it. Desktop app require a screen and web app require an internet connection. They are usually browser based and stored on a remote server. And the web apps, users accesses them like any other web page and then install them on their computer by creating a bookmark to the web page, like this see in your figure. Okay, and web applications require minimum devices memory as compared to your desktop memory, as the application lies on a remote server, because they are actually not working on that the screen, they're working on a remote server. That's why they require a less memory as compared to the desktop app. They can be utilized at whatever you can utilize here, through any device, through anything, but generally require a internet connection. For example, Google Maps, instant messenger, etc. Now, third type of the apps is a mobile app. That is very common for all of them, because due to COVID-19, you all know, we are familiar with the mobile and we use various mobile apps nowadays. Mobile apps have responsive web designs to adapt to the much smaller screen size. Means if you have screen like this, little bit you can work with it. If you have screen like this, you can also work with it. Okay, these apps are usually smaller in size as mobile devices, have limited memory. Okay, as compared to your laptop and your web connection, they having a limited capacity. That means mobile have very limited capacity. They come preloaded on the mobile phones or a call phones. If you are seeing, you can keep in view the device independence feature. The software companies nowadays make diverse version of the applications to the used as desktop app or web app. Okay, as you can see, if we talk about the mobile application, there is a lot of mobile application. If we talk about Zoom, is also a mobile application, that is also a web application that can also run on your desktop application. If we talk about a very famous thing, that is a Zomato. Everyone today in a today's life want to order on a Zomato. Zomato is a mobile app that lets you discover restaurants to eat out at a dinner in front. It provides each and every information to you. You can also rate and review restaurants you have been to and share photos of your foodies moment directly. If you like anything from a particular restaurant, you can directly review and rate them. You haven't any need to wait to any person. He or she will share your review to the thing. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.